Welcome to another install by Peninsula Floating Floors. The last 3 or 4 years I've been installing Chrono Swiss Aqua Stop, mostly 40mm. Beach pretty much was the most popular. But this year is going to be the year of the Oakleaf HD Plus, the digital laminate floor. It's just amazing. It's got 30 repeats. The Aqua Stop only has 8. The 12mm has 12. 30 repeats, and it's been scanned from real wood. So the oaks or the hickories are from hickory, the black butt's been scanned from black butt. So this is the HD Natural, which is going to be the #1 sellers, no doubt. I've already done three naturals, 2 black butts. So quick look around. This was a Renault straight over pine into the kitchen, and also there was a double door put in where the pool is. So the floor was already worn and marked there. So they've already got their vacuum robot or robot vac. So we went equidistant each side of this door here. Cupboards. Nice undercuts. We angle ground that tile back so we could get the T-mould nice and exactly fitting under the door. Okay, normal T's on carpets. We kept the wood strips in front of the doors because that's how it originally was. It's just amazing, this product. Detail is incredible. So this is for Andy and Bernie. Been so kind, really looked after me. Mug never went cold. Lovely cups of tea. That kickboard's actually stone, so no chance to undercut it. Okay, nice teas. Pulled those kickers off, those ones, so we didn't have to scotia where the kitchen was. More trims. So there you go, Oakleaf HD Plus Natural. Gonna be my best seller this year, absolutely no doubt. Goes with all your furniture. It's just stunning.